Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the stamp set, Country Flowers, along with the dies. I'm featuring another set of dies called Spotlight on Nature. And what else? There's some cardstocks and papers, and I swear to God, the lighting gets better. Here we go. I filmed a little bit later, so it's a little bit darker, and I sort of moved my craft room around, so I'm not right under the window, which is kind of awesome, but it does require a little bit better lighting for me. Anyway, not like you needed to know about my crafty room setup. I have stamped the Best Friend Ever sentiment from the Country Flower stamp set in Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And what I have here is, this is a circle from the Spotlight on Nature dies, and then I have a window sheet. So a 4x4 square window sheet. And then I have the paper called Full of Life, I believe, 6x6 pattern paper or designer series paper. That's what Stampin' Up calls it. And then everybody sort of, made an acronym out of the designer series paper because it was long to say. So they call it a DSP. A lot of things that Stampin' Up does, there's a lot of acronyms from them, and a lot of like rhyming too. I guess the company really likes rhyming. It's kind of a mouthful sometimes. Anyway, these are strips that are 5/8 of an inch, and I just had strips of this paper. This paper is on special right now, and this is what Wild Card Wednesday is all about. I am featuring some different techniques. You never know what I'm going to show up on Wednesdays, or if I'm ever going to show up at all. Who knows? It's a crapshoot. You never know, and that's okay. There's no pressure at all. And I won't ever put pressure on you. So, but here are some strips of paper, and the paper's on special right now. And you never know, maybe next Wednesday, well, actually, yes, next Wednesday, I will be featuring another way of using designer series paper. And it's not just in a, what do they call one sheet wonders? I got different stuff to share with you. So, I was able to sort of piece those pictures or those little strips of paper together. I have a little piece of washi tape here. Stampin' Up doesn't sell washi tape. So I just stuck the washi tape that I had. And actually, between you and me, and I know you're close friends of mine, I get my washi tape from a place called The Washi Shop. So go check it out. You'll see a whole bunch of fat cats there, which I love. Anyway. Don't you just love these mini cut and emboss machines? Like how tiny on my desk, I can actually demonstrate how to use it. It's very easy. I decided because I'm going through paper and window sheet that I would have to go through twice. It cut out beautifully. If you have problems, if it's too tight, I suggest swapping out the white plate with the light gray plate. There's also a dark gray plate too, so have fun. Try to figure out your sandwich. Okay, so I'll leave you hanging there. These are colors: Berry Burst, Pumpkin Pie, and Daffodil Delight, and I am using the dies from the Country Flowers stamp set. I'm actually really digging this stamp set, and before I get into the onslaught of Christmas stuff, I was able to pre-order some Christmas ideas, some Christmas things. I ended up picking up mostly autumn things, but that's okay because autumn comes before Christmas. So, but I do have my crafting at the lake house thing going on here shortly. So that event is coming up at the end of September, and there'll be lots of crafty things going on. All right, let me describe this. This is Balmy Blue cardstock. Isn't it pretty? I really like this one, Balmy Blue. And let's see, a piece of just basic whisper white. Oh my God, that was so last 2022. It is basic white card. Okay, so, and these are little mini dimensionals. I think I got them somewhere, maybe in a Paper Pumpkin but I utilize them very well underneath these little strips. So the sentiment strip, I think, was on a quarter sheet of card. I've flagged the ends or fishtailed the ends, whatever. And I actually adhere it to my card, and then I'm going to move it at the end. So where I'm putting it now, just ignore it because it's not going to stay there. But I used Seal Plus. And did I mention that? I used Seal Plus to stick the pattern paper strips to my window sheet because it is by far a very superior adhesive. It's very sticky and it really holds. And I personally have had a card given to me that like all of the hard work fell off. I don't know what adhesive this person was using, but it certainly wasn't Seal Plus. Okay, so I have die cut these lovely little flowers, and now I've put them all on my mini glue dots, like a little sheet. It's much easier for me to do this and sort of peel them off my desk than it is for me to like adhere a glue dot to them. Do you know what I mean? Like, it just makes it easier crafting. So there's a little technique tip for you. You stick them all on your glue dots and then you tear off the strip and you're able to pick them up with your pokey tool. It's probably my favorite pokey tool, actually, to be honest. I love it. Especially the knife part at the top, the crafting knife. It's awesome. Yeah. All right. So I'm adhering them just sort of to the left side of the card. And then these are called iridescent faceted gems. And I think in my description, I gave you the wrong ones, but I'm telling you in the video, they are iridescent faceted gems. The number is 163368. And, but I did give you, I just realized because I wrote up the blog before I edited this video. How about that for a change? And I gave you the link to the adhesive back dappled dots. The dappled dots don't look at all like the faceted gems. I might have had just a little too much coffee, you guys. Or maybe not enough. Maybe that's the problem. Okay, so you can see me peeling off this bit and then, or the sentiment bit, and now I'm sticking it back on. Yeah, there's adhesive and everything on that, but that is a lesson to be learned. Don't tack everything down until you're absolutely sure of it. So, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section on my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.